Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and it's time to show you guys the new war room. So, what's been happening? Drywall, that's what's been happening. I just posted a video recently where I showed you the drywall in the Gnome headquarters. So now it's time to show you guys the drywall in the war room. As you can see, it's got all of the grid up for the lathing. So the lathing and the stucco can be done. That's coming really soon. But in the meantime, we have all the drywall up. And we have all the outlets in. So the electricity has been run to the garage. It hasn't been turned on yet, of course. We still need to put in the outlets themselves and the switches. But look at it, guys. It's beautiful. Love the exposed ceiling. Like to see those exposed beams. I think it's really cool look. Then we have everything else is nice and drywalled in. And it's gonna be a really nice, clean workspace. I'll have my Thunderbird over there. I'll have my tents over here. And we'll have our nice little live broadcast station right here by the window where we can just peek right out the window into the garden. I love this war room. I'm really excited for it. I can't tell you guys how excited I am to move back into the house. And the closer it gets, the more excited I get. And it's coming soon, guys. So just keep on watching these updates to see where we're getting with the Urban Empire project. It's getting really close to finished. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.